This video is about how to write an Upwork cover letter for a WordPress job. So let's get going. I have opened my Upwork profile. A platform for freelancing called Upwork links companies with independent contractors from around the globe. It is a fantastic method for locating employment, but using it effectively is crucial. Simply, you can search for jobs using the search bar on the right side of your screen. Right here, WordPress jobs. You will find a lot of jobs here. There are almost 16,000 plus jobs. Just scroll down and see. On the left side of the page, you will see the option of Filter By. As a result, you have options for filtering out your job. You can add experience level and job type, select your hourly rate, fixed price, number of proposals, client information, client history, client location, client time zone, project length, hours per week, and contacts needed. You can also sort your job from here. Here is another option for an advanced search. By clicking on it, a pop-up will appear with different options, like all of these words, any of these words, the exact phrase, etc. Now let's open any one of the jobs. I will open this first job here. Here is the job description that the client requires from you. You must have carefully read out the whole job description, skills and expertise, and client response history. If this job meets your specified requirements, simply click on Apply Now. You have to submit a proposal by filtering out your job requirements. First, propose a specialized profile. You can review one more time the job description, job type, skills, and expertise that are required for this job. You can set your hourly rate. The freelancer service fee is already fixed, as is the payment that you will receive after job completion. If you are hired for the long term, you can schedule a rate increase after 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I will go within 3 months. Then specify your increased rate. I will increase it by 10%. And now the substantial part of this video is the cover letter in the additional details. Write a proposal following the job requirements if you are proficient in English and have strong writing abilities that will help you impress clients. Otherwise, for the cover letter, I will suggest to you the best AI tool, which is Bard AI. For this purpose, all you have to do is simply select and copy the whole job description. I am already logged in and opened it in another tab. If not, sign in with a Google account first. Here, it is important to remember that you must prompt Bard correctly and precisely. Simply give a prompt, write a job description reply for a WordPress job. The description is here, and paste your copied description. Then press the Enter. It will take some time, then you will find a detailed cover letter of the description. As we know, this is too long. If you want to get hired on Upwork, create a brief but effective cover letter. Now what you have to do is write a prompt again, write a short reply to this description to make it short. It is perfect now. Just copy this content. Let us revisit Upwork and paste it here. You can make some changes if you want to. Write here an eye-catching salutation. And your name here, whatever your name is. You can also attach any portfolio or document here. And this is done. Click on Send for 8 connections. Our task is done here. This is how you can write an Upwork cover letter for a WordPress job. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.